Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect your Dreame vacuum to the Wi-Fi network. So if you have any problem to connect it with your Xiaomi Home application, you can reset the network settings by holding the power and the home button together for 3 seconds.
Waiting for the network configuration.
As you can hear, now we are waiting for the configuration, so we can go to the application. And as you can see, now we are loading data, so the device are resetted, and we can add it one more time with the Wi-Fi connection. So how to do it? Click on the plus in the right upper corner, then tap on the add device. Now select add device manually, and now we have to find the D10 Plus or your other model of the vacuum. So just give me a short second. Okay, there we have a Dreame bot. Oh, not this one. Okay, there we have the Dreame D10 Plus. If you have the problem that you don't see the names in this application, try to decrease the font size in your appliance. Then select the Dreame bot D10 Plus. Our device is already resetted, so we can click on the button, and now select your Wi-Fi connection. Now you have to enter the password to your Wi-Fi, so just give me a second. Okay, and agree the terms. Now we have to wait to connect to the vacuum Wi-Fi, so just click on it. And now he's taking the password to the Wi-Fi from our appliance.
Robot and phone connected. Please return to app to wait for the result.
Okay, robot and phone are connected. Now we are waiting for the Wi-Fi connecting.
Network connected successfully.
Okay, and network are connected. This is the way how you can connect your appliance with the Wi-Fi network. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or comment. And goodbye. Good luck with the connecting. Bye.